Voting is incredibly important. The board of directors has a lot of influence on different programs, different things that we're doing as an industry. The board of directors shapes SEMA by choosing different programs that we are part of, by where our funding is going to go. And right now we're spending a lot in government affairs, which matters a lot. We've had a lot of wins this year. And then also in vehicle technology, in our SEMA garages, the one here in California and then also in Detroit. Those are making big impacts for what we're doing for our association in the industry. We're really looking at what the industry needs and then matching what we're doing as a board and the decisions that we need to make to mirror that. You might be asking yourself who can vote. That voting happens through the company's primary contact. So it's important to advocate your primary contact to fill in the ballot during the election period.